Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be building a pedal board from scratch. So if you're watching this and you've got some anxiety about building your first pedal board, this is the place to be. And if you're unaware, I've been playing guitar for about 17 years. I've actually never built my own pedal board before. Back when I was playing in a band and doing touring, this is actually kind of embarrassing to say, but I used to stuff my pedals into a little lunchbox. I would take them to the venue. I would just take them out of the lunchbox, plug them in with a little daisy chain power supply, and they would just be sitting on the stage just bare like that. And it actually took me a long time to finally get into the importance and the priorities of having a pedal board. But with all that aside, today we're going to be diving into this one that I got from Pedal Train. And so let's take a look at my old pedal board. Now, this is my old pedal board, and suffice to say, it looks like I'm outgrowing it a little bit. As it is, my Strymon Iridium is placed a little bit off to the side. It's not in the most convenient place for my feet. If I ever want to kind of mess with it in the middle of a jam session, it just feels kind of weird to get to. There's also the Strymon Zuma in the back, that blue thing, that's actually feeding me clean power to my pedals so I can get a better experience with my tone. That actually needs to be mounted to the underside of a pedal board, preferably. It's something that I would like to keep out of sight, and that's the reason why I bought the pedal board that I did. So let's dive in and let's see what it's like to build a pedal board from scratch. One newbie to another, let's go. All right, I got your money right here. Jeez, this thing is huge. Hopefully I didn't buy a pedal board that's way too big. By the way, that's another tip that I would like to share from one newbie to another. Measure out the space that you're expecting all of your pedals to be taking up whenever you are doing a pedal board upgrade, and then just shop based off of those measurements. You know, get a little tape measure, take it down on the floor, and just figure out what you need. We got our rolls of Velcro, very handy stuff right there. Let's see, nice, we got our zip ties. And man, this case smells terrible. It's not a dock to Pedal Train, it just has that, you know, chemical smell. Alright, so here's the pedal board, and let me go ahead and close this case and put it away. Alright, and here's our pedal board right here in all of its glory. And another thing that you need, obviously, is going to be some scissors. So let me get some scissors. Ooh, how's that for some ASMR? Alright, so let's go ahead and take the soft part of the Velcro and let's just put that on our pedal board. And let's measure this out just a little bit. Alright, and then once you got the one strip, you can obviously just cut the other ones exactly the same length. This is the easy part, you know, putting the Velcro on. That's the part that you don't really have to think too much about. The moving of all my pedals onto this new one. I think overall it took me, I don't know, like 2 hours to like build the whole thing, but that was me taking a lunch break, messing with the camera and, you know, audio levels and stuff like that. So I'm sure you'll be able to get through it even quicker. And if you like what you see here, tune back in for the next video. I post these weekly, and the next video that I'm hoping to make, I'm going to be doing a pedal review on 1981 Invention's version of their Drive 2 pedal. It's actually modeled after the sound that was on the infamous album by Relient K, and I'm just really excited to see what that pedal is capable of doing. do you guys think? I mean, I know that there's some people out there that prefer running the cable lines along the length of the underside of the pedal board itself, but for me and my purposes, I was fine with coiling them like this. It's not biblical truth, you don't have to do it that way, but I liked it. This board is going to be for home recording purposes, and it's not going to do a whole lot of traveling, so I'm fine with it as is. One thing to take note of, this is the Pedal Train, what is it, the Classic 2, by the way, and it was listed as a pedal board that would be, you know, friendly and capable of mounting the particular power supply that I have, the Strymon Zuma, and I ran into a bit of a hiccup. Basically what happened was, if you can see where the 120 volt goes in, where it plugs in, it was having trouble getting past this lip here, or this lip I should say. And so what I did was I had to kind of angle it a certain way, so I just cut a bunch of Velcro and basically sandwiched them together. I think I did like 3 layers of Velcro, where I would like attach the back of the Velcro to the back of another piece of Velcro to keep sandwiching it on top of one another, and that was able to give it enough distance and clearance away from this lip to where I can plug the thing in when it's time to finally turn on my pedal board. But I really like the way it turned out, and if you're having anxiety about building your own pedal board, just get rid of it. I'm happy that I did that after 17 years of playing guitar and never building a pedal board. It was actually a lot of fun. I would say this is like the perfect weekend project. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, especially, and final parting note for you, if you have a recommendation on a reverb pedal that fits more in the traditional reverb space, if I can say that, something that's not as niche or novelty kind of esque of a reverb as the Afterneath by Earthquaker Devices. It's not that I don't love that pedal, but I am kind of loosely in the market for another reverb pedal, probably several months away from that. So drop your recommendations in the comment if you really have a special reverb pedal that you want to get on my radar. But other than that, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.